Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2 question number 7. In a squared sheet, draw two triangles of equal areas such that the triangles are congruent. Suppose we have taken two triangles, that is triangle ABC, A, BC, it is DEF, D, E and F. Right? We've taken the BC is equal to EF. We have taken this side BC is equal to EF. Right? And if we take this height, suppose the height is the height is this is the height of the triangle. You see, this height is same. This height is same, right? Therefore, the area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle. Now, what you see? Now, here you see, we know that area of a triangle is half base into height. The height is same. Here in this case, this height is equal to this height. We see DEF. This is P, and suppose this is Q. Right? Here you can see that the area is same. Why? Because we know that area of a triangle area of a triangle area of a triangle is equal to half base into height. Half into base into height right? That is equal to, here you can say that half in this triangle, half into base is BC into height is AP, and in this case area of this triangle, here you see area of this triangle is, it is equal. Why it is equal? You see here it is half BC is equal to EF, and also we have taken the height as same, that is height is equal to PQ. Here you see BC is equal to EF we have taken, and we have taken also the height same, that is AP is equal to PQ. Therefore we say that the areas of both the triangles are same. Therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF, area is same. Now we have taken the triangles as congruent also. Here we have taken BC is equal to EF. BC is equal to EF, and AB is equal to DE, and AC is equal to DF. Then all the sides are corresponding sides are same. Therefore we can say that by side congruent rule the triangles are congruent. Therefore we can say by side congruent rule. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. DEF. Now the question was, what can you say about their perimeters? Here you see that AB side is equal to DE side, and BC side is equal to EF side, and AC side is equal to DF side. Therefore, we can say that perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to perimeter of triangle DF, because the corresponding sides are same. Therefore, we can say that therefore we can say that therefore we can say that perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to perimeter of triangle DEF. Right? In the second case, here what you have to take? You have to take the areas as same, right? But the triangles are not congruent. Let us take the name. It is PQR, PQR. It is STU, S. This is T. This is U. Right? Here we have taken QR is equal to TU. Here we have taken QR. Here you have taken the base of the triangle as QR, which is same as TU, right? If we take the height of this, right? If we take the height of this, that is height, this height. We have taken the height from here to here. Let us take the scale. Let us take the scale. Here you see, this height is 2.7 centimeter, and the height of this triangle is also 2.7 centimeter, right? When the height of both these triangles are same, and you have taken the base as same, right? Now you see what happened. Now you see, we have taken this height, that is we can name PQRSTU. This is V, right? Now here you see that PV is equal to SU, and QR is equal to TU, height. That is height of the triangle, of this triangle, height we have taken height is equal to, this is PV is same as SU, and we know that area of a triangle is equal to half base into height. 1 by 2 into base into height. Right? Now here you see base is same. In this case you see half base is QR is equal to TU and height is also same. Here you have taken PV is equal to SU. Therefore the area of this triangle is half into QR into PV and area of this triangle is half into TU into SU. And you see these are same. Base and height is same. Therefore the area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle. Right? Area of triangle PQR is equal to area of triangle STU S2U. Right? Now you see the triangles are not congruent. Here you see this line from estimation we find that TS is a longer line than this line. Right? Therefore you can say that they are not congruent, and if you superimpose on each other they will not superimpose on each other. Therefore you can say that this triangle is not congruent to this triangle. Triangle PQR is not congruent to triangle STU. Here we satisfied two conditions that the area is same but the triangles are not congruent. What can you say about the perimeters? Right? Here you can observe, or from estimation you can say that the perimeter of this triangle is not equal to perimeter of this triangle. Right? Because the sides are different. Right? That means the areas may be same and the triangles are not congruent. Even then the perimeters will not be same. Therefore we can say that perimeters the perimeters of triangle PQR is not equal to perimeters of triangle STU. Right? Therefore, you find from the figure that the perimeter of this triangle will not be equal to perimeter of this triangle. Right? What you have taken here, see here, as you have taken this side same and this one is same. Right? And if you add this side with this side, it will not equal to this side. Right? Here you see this side. Here you have taken that QR. Here you see that here that QR is equal to QR is equal to TU. QR is equal to TU. But if we add all the sides, that is QR plus RP plus PQ, it will be not same as ST plus U, S plus ST. Therefore, you can say that the perimeter of triangle PQR is not equal to perimeter of triangle STU. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.